Oxymetholone. You may have seen this word suddenly popping up in fitness discussions, bodybuilding forums, and even trending searches. Some call it the most powerful muscle-building pill ever made, while others warn it's a ticking time bomb for your health. But what's the truth behind this so-called magic steroid? In the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into what oxymetholone, also known as Anadrol, really is, why doctors once prescribed it, why athletes misuse it, and most importantly, the very real dangers you need to know before you even think about it. What is oxymetholone? Oxymetholone is not a new discovery. It was first developed in the 1960s as a prescription drug for patients suffering from anemia, a condition where the body doesn't produce enough healthy red blood cells. Doctors used oxymetholone because it stimulates the production of red blood cells and helps patients fight fatigue, weakness, and other symptoms of anemia. For many years, it was seen as a medical breakthrough. But as medicine advanced, safer treatments became available, and the risks of oxymetholone became too great to ignore. Today, its medical use is rare, and it's tightly controlled in most countries. Why do people misuse it? So, if doctors rarely use it anymore, why is oxymetholone trending? The answer lies in the world of bodybuilding and extreme fitness. Oxymetholone is known for one thing: rapid and dramatic muscle growth. Users often claim they can see results in just a few weeks: bigger muscles, more strength, and enhanced endurance. For someone chasing quick results, it can sound tempting. But here's the problem: these results come at a huge cost. The same powerful effects that build muscle also put the liver, heart, and hormones under extreme stress. What looks like a shortcut to strength can quickly turn into a shortcut to serious health problems. The hidden dangers. Let's talk about the risks. Oxymetholone is one of the most toxic oral steroids ever produced. The first and most dangerous effect is on the liver. Extended use can lead to liver damage, tumors, and even life-threatening liver failure. Then comes the hormonal chaos. For men, oxymetholone can shut down natural testosterone production, causing infertility, shrunken testicles, and even breast development due to hormonal imbalance. For women, the side effects are just as concerning: deepened voice, abnormal hair growth, irregular menstrual cycles, and permanent changes to the body. The dangers don't stop there. Oxymetholone raises blood pressure, thickens the blood, and strains the heart, leading to an increased risk of strokes and heart attacks. On top of that, many users report mood swings, irritability, and aggression, often referred to as roid rage. The truth is clear. This isn't just a performance enhancer, it's a health hazard. Safer alternatives and natural solutions. Now, here's the good news. If your goal is better fitness, more energy, or improved muscle mass, you don't need to put your health on the line. For anemia patients, safer drugs like erythropoietin have replaced oxymetholone in modern medicine. For athletes and everyday people, there are natural and sustainable ways to build strength and vitality. A diet rich in lean protein, healthy fats, whole grains, and antioxidant-packed foods can fuel muscle recovery and growth. Regular resistance training, proper sleep, and safe supplements like creatine or whey protein can provide real results without the life-threatening side effects. Remember, real health is about long-term balance, not short-term gains. So, what's the real story with oxymetholone? It may have once been a powerful drug for specific medical conditions, and it may still be abused in the world of bodybuilding, but the risks are far greater than the rewards. Liver damage, heart disease, infertility, These aren't just small side effects, they are life-altering consequences. If you value your health, the smartest choice is to stay away. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with others who might be curious about these so-called miracle steroids, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Remedies Guide. Here, we uncover the truths behind health trends and give you safer, smarter alternatives to build the strong, healthy life you deserve.